Everybody feeling good? All right. We are Terror out of Los Angeles, California. Good to be alive. Good to be here. Poland, what's up? Poland, what's up? All right. Listen up. One thing I want to say. I hate this stupid fucking barricade. I hate this thing. But, on the other hand, security's being very cool. So, don't break anything and don't let anybody break their necks, but feel free to jump off something, leap off something, swing off something, and if you know this song, sing with me. This song is called Stick Tight. Come on. No place to go. I won't live by your rules. Please understand. Stage time. From this back. Finish on. Never thought it could be so hard. When you die. The place to go. Come on, man. Run the road. It's not the sound of the other world.